So anyway, it's been a really big month for Steam, and this was only going to help them. They have officially come to China in the next article here. And the PS5 is also going to come too. I didn't realize there was a hiatus on consoles in China for a long period of time. Well, I believe from 2010 to 2015, you couldn't get a console in China. Or from 2000 to 2015.
Really?
You couldn't get a console in China.
Why?
Because they couldn't monitor, or maybe the
Privacy?
manufacturers didn't want to create a separate store. You know how China has to have the separate store with the approval process.
Wow.
Now, Steam has been in China, but they had to use the international store, and there were certain restrictions in doing so. Having a dedicated Chinese store means that the games can get pre-approval and make sure there's no issues, that they're officially supported and approved of, you see what I'm saying, by the government to be used in that market. There's, of course, a huge number of potential users that Steam can reach more officially now in China, as opposed to the international client. Sony wants a piece of that market too, and they're ready to come back in a big way. Now, you did have the previous gen consoles, PlayStation 4 and such, but there has been a delay as they work to, make sure that their product meets the criteria for approval as well. From a software standpoint, what you can and can't get inside of the App Store, whatever it is that is considered to be acceptable in China and not acceptable. So gaming. You ever heard of gaming?
Here and there.
Yeah.